Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kaka Konemi. So for today's reading, this is going to be this is a random message, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. So the message is for Aries, Aries Sagittarius Leo. Can also be for Taurus, because I've almost said Taurus. And the energy has got something to do with anxiety, depression. Maybe somebody died. Maybe you were aiming for something for so long, and then the last minute you found out hindi pala siya para sa'yo, or parang hindi mo talaga siya na-accomplish, hindi mo siya na-kompleto. This depression has got something to do with a very emotionally draining situation. Let's see kung ano yon in particular. Four of Pentacles. So maybe this has got something to do with something na inaangkin mo. Maybe you share everything with everyone. Let's say for example, budget mo, ikaw taga-provide sa family. Or maybe merong someone around you na hindi marunong magpaalam, na nakikita mo na lang ginamit na yung gamit mo, or tapos pag sinole, sira, yung ganon. For some reason, I'm sensing this has got something to do with a roommate or a boardmate or someone na living with you. So I don't know if you have something like a personal possession na mamahalin or may sentimental value na as much as possible ayaw mong iba gumagamit, as much as possible ayaw mong masira, kahit na gutay-gutay na siya, kahit na hindi na siya uso, parang ganon siya kahalaga sa iyo. Now, Knight of Wands, this may be somebody's pasalubong. Somebody gave you this specific item from somewhere, or maybe this is a souvenir when you traveled somewhere, tapos yun yung binili mo, yun yung kinuha mo. So parang this is something na ayaw mong mawala, na parang i-share na lahat, basta yan, akin lang yan. Now, since Hermit reverse nung kanina, so in connection to death, maybe merong pinamana sa'yo na heirloom, or maybe merong binigay sa'yo na bago pumanaw yung kung sino man yung pumanaw, parang sa'yo lang to ha, wag mong bibigay sa iba. And for some reason, it seems like maybe napunta sa iba, pwedeng mana, pwedeng lupa, pwedeng bahay, or alahas, na parang this is something na hindi mo tanggap. Pero with the 8 of Cups, you need to accept na ang isang bagay, kahit na sa tao, is kung sa'yo, sa'yo. So, kung sa'yo talaga yan tapos hindi mo nakuha ngayon, pag bumalik yan sa'yo, wag mo na pakawalan. Pero, for some reason, I'm sensing na this is something that you need to move on from, because it's not helping, especially sa mental state mo. Yun nga, nakaka-trigger siya ng depression eh. So, pagka ganyan, huwag hayaan yung sarili na ma-overwhelm ng sadness to the point na yun na lang yung iisipin mo, yun na, doon ka na lang nakatutok. Wala ka nang natatapos, wala ka nang na-accomplish. And if you're going to do as advised, possible outcome, 7 of Swords. So, I don't know if you have someone close to you na very territorial din sa kung anong kanila, na to the point, maybe this is a cousin or a sibling, pero more like cousin eh, na parang pareho kayo ng pinagdaanan nung mga bata pa kayo siguro, pareho kayong inaagawan ng gamit, ginagalaw yung gamit ng hindi hindi nagpapaalam, na parang I don't think you have contact with this person, a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, not necessarily. But this is someone na alam niya yung tungkol dun sa Four of Pentacles. Alam niya na pagdating sa bagay na yun, ayaw mo siyang i-share. Na supposedly, sa'yo lang talaga yun. So, this may be someone na nanakawin yung bagay na yun for you. Or this may be someone who will secretly do something about it para especially ang sources documents. Maybe this is someone who will secretly back you up. Hindi mo alam na may ginagawa siya behind the scenes in order to make that specific pamana or thing to be given back to you legally. Especially if it's property na pinamana. Pero this is someone na I'm hearing ayaw niya rin dun sa taong nang agaw ng para sa'yo. So, maybe may lihim siyang galit doon. So inagawan mo na nga ako dati nung bagay na yon na supposedly akin lang yon. Tas ngayon ginagawa mo ngayon kay fire sign. O tingnan natin kung magtagal yan sa'yo. Gagawin ko ng paraan na mawala yan sa'yo. Mabawi niya yan sa'yo. So parang in a way, merong kang kakampi, fire sign, na ayaw niyang maranasan mo yung naaagawan ka. And maybe this is someone in the family na ayaw na binubuli ka. Especially if pareho nga kayo ng pinagdaanan. And I'm hearing from the same person. Now, ang pinaka-outcome nito is lovers reversed. Sira ulo to. Yung 7 of Swords is parang gagawa siya ng paraan para mabawi mo yung sayo. Pero lovers reversed. Hindi siya makikipagbalikan, hindi siya, if this is a jowa or an ex, or if this is a cousin, parang hindi siya magpapalata by all of a sudden being close to you. Parang, gusto niya lang ng justice. Yang bagay na yan sa'yo yan, gagawan ko ng paraan na maibalik yan sa'yo, and then, bye-bye. Hindi siya yung makikipag-close, hindi siya yung makikipag-usap all of a sudden, may communication na kayo, no. I don't know if there's any like rest back na kinakatakutan niya, pero for some reason this person is like ayaw niyang mahalata na siya yung tumulong. So there. Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. Any clarifications? If you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message, okay? That'll be all. Bye.